Hello guys. Now in this video, as usual, we try to talk about trends. You understand that in order to make money, you should have a trend, and this is called swing trading. It doesn't matter that you time the trend. It doesn't matter because sometimes it's very, very difficult. But when there is when there are big trends, this is when there is bulls. Because we have bulls, we have bears. The bull is when we have good news and everybody begin to buy, and most of the people make money. But it doesn't matter when you begin. You begin at the beginning. For example, the trend is 100%. A stock was, let's say, a stock was $100. It goes to $500 in that year. So you can buy it at 100, 120 if you are lucky, 150, 200, 300. Wherever you buy it, you make money. But it's not the same. When you become a professional swing trader, you begin to develop strategies on how to spot these stocks when they are young. And this is what I do. And this is what this channel is about. Okay? So every day, every month, every week, we have trends. Some are small, some are big. And especially when you see that Dow Jones or any index, S&P 500, when you see they are going up and they begin to make a trend, this is the time to search for stocks. If you are interested to search for stocks, please try to see my subscription. Thank you very much and have a nice day.